the louder you cheer, the faster your super dogs go. On this side, we have Jimi Hendrix. On this side, we have Janis Joplin. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. So the name of this game is called The Making of the Band Relays. You'll be putting together your very own band, and the band we're putting together on this side, you are going to be called the Rolling Bones. The band you're putting together on this side, you are going to be the Red Hot Chili Puppies. Rolling Bones have 1, the Chili Puppies have nothing, so now it is time for you to make up one precious point. I would like the next pair of dogs to come up front and center for the Red Hot Chili Puppies. Now, check it out. You guys get to pick the dog that you feel is going to come in first place. By applause, do you want to race with Fats Domino? With Axl Rose. Axl Rose is on this side, and we have got Fats Domino racing with the Rolling Bones. Here we go, boys and girls. It is 1-0, and because this is a rock concert, I want everyone in the audience to do the official countdown with us. You heard how it goes. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Everybody, all together. A 1, a 2. Wow, a big win for the Rolling Bones. Now the Rolling Bones have 2 and the Red Hot Chili Puppies have nothing. But don't you worry on that side, it's okay. You know, we love coming to Toronto so much because we find the city so friendly, so neighborly. In fact, I'm sure that if you guys win the next race, the Rolling Bones are going to give you 2 points to tie it up. You may even hear them now. Look at that enthusiasm. No problem. Let's have the next pair of dogs out for the Rolling Bones. So make your choice. Here we go. Size them up, boys and girls. Which dog do you think is coming in first place? By applause, do you want to race with Trooper? Barely even polite. Or do you want to race with Adele? Adele is on the Rolling Bones, and we have got Trooper racing on the Red Hot Chili Puppies. Let's find out right now. The audience is ready for the countdown all together. A 1, a 2. A big win for the Red Hot Chili Puppies. Why are you being so upset? I don't know why you guys are so upset. Because that race didn't matter. It didn't even count. None of the races counted, but none of you are paying attention. I told you the name of this game is The Making of the Band Relays. All we've been doing is having some fun putting our bands together. This is the race that matters. And let's see who we put together to race for with an important message from our sponsor.
Which is why we made them the official fuel of the Super Dogs, the President's Choice Nutrition First line of dog food. I feed Justin Nutrition First both backstage and back home, simply because it's a veterinary quality product that's available at a grocery store price. You can find it anywhere President's Choice products are sold. At the end of the show, we invite you to come down to the stage and meet the stars, maybe get a selfie with them, upload it to your social media, be sure to tag us. We are the official Super Dogs. And at that time, we also invite you to visit our President's Choice booth at the back of the stage, where we have a couple things for you. We have for you a coupon to go towards your first or next bag of the food, as well as a sample bag that you can take home with you today. Can I get this fantastic audience to put your hands together for me to thank our sponsor, President's Choice, for having us here today.
Thank you, Kate. Thank you, Justin Bieber. How many members of our audience are playing Pokemon Go? The rest of you are just lying. It's a very popular game. The Super Dogs play Pokemon Go. We have a little twist on it. We'll show you how. We've selected a member of the audience, a lucky guy, to come out and help us. Come on over here, young man. And what is your name? Everyone say, hello, Jonathan. All right, Jonathan, come on over here. You're going to have some fun playing Pokemon Go. I want to bring onto the stage our Super Dog player. Let's say hi to Ash Ketchum. This is Ash Ketchum, and he's brought his favorite Pokemon Go toy. This is Pikachu. Now you hang on to Pikachu. We're going to hide Pikachu in this box. I want to make sure that Ash Ketchum is not looking. Let's hide his eyes. Now Jonathan, put that Pikachu in this box. Now, I want you to take that box and I want you to go hide it somewhere over there. You can mix them up as much as you want. Make sure, he's cheating. Make sure he can't see him. Mix them all up. Be sure. There we go. That's great. You're doing a good job. Spread it out a little bit. Now, Jonathan, it is only a 30-minute show, so give him a little bit of space. Space them up a little bit more. They're too close together. There we go. If we run late, it's his fault. Here we go. Now, come on over here, Jonathan. You have one more thing to do. I want you to say into the microphone, Ash, find Pikachu.
Ash, find Pikachu.
Now, Jonathan, you go over there and open up that box, and Pikachu is in there. You hold it up high for the audience to see. Good job, Ash Ketchum. And great job, Jonathan. Here we go. Now, Jonathan, guess what? I have a question for you. Do you have a dog? You do? What kind of a dog you have? He has no idea. You could just say Harry, and that would be good enough for us. Is it a super dog? He says yes. Well, I got good news for you. Your dog's going to have another member of the family. Because you're going home with your very own super dog right now. Yeah. Special delivery. Here we go. Thank you very much. We'll take that there. Thank you very much. And we'll see you later. Go back. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the back of our theater and outside of our theater, we have our collectibles table. And on that table, we have a lot of replicas of the dogs you've seen on our show. They are for sale, but they come with an adoption certificate because we think that every dog deserves a good home and every dog can be a super dog. And because this audience is so awesome, we decided for the rest of our run, we are lowering our prices on all of our stuffies for $10 because you did such a great job. You are getting yours for free. Here you go, Jonathan. Thank you so much for your great job. Humane Societies right here in the Toronto area. It's a good message for the kids to have. Now, ladies and gents, boys and girls, our next act coming on stage has a dream of being a rock and roll star. But he's having a very tough time working through some of these distractions that are coming in the form of someone else trying to steal the spotlight. Please welcome to the stage, Nestor and Jay in Rock and Roll Fantasy.